Get ready. 3, 2, 1, start. Learned Counsel for the appellant has submitted that while awarding the compensation, tribunal committed an illegality in making only one-fourth deduction towards personal and living expenses of the deceased and in not making deduction the amount of family pension. Learned Counsel further submitted that from the FIR it is established that accident in question was a result of head-on collision of bus and motorcycle. Hence, in any case, the liability for making payment of compensation ought to have been apportioned, but the tribunal committed an illegality in not considering the same. Learned Counsel further submitted that compensation awarded by the tribunal is excessive and exorbitant. The award, therefore, is liable to be modified. Per contra, Learned Counsel for the respondents' claimants has submitted that it is proved from the oral and documentary evidence adduced by the respondent claimant that accident in question had occurred on account of rash and negligent driving of the driver of the said offending bus. Deceased was not responsible for the accident in question. Learned Counsel further submitted that impugned judgment and award passed by the tribunal is just and reasonable and therefore does not require any interference by this court. As such, this appeal is liable to be dismissed. Learned Counsel for the claimants respondents has further submitted that the matter in respect of permission to file the appeal under section 170 of the Motor Vehicles Act has been referred to the larger bench. He further submits that once the reference has been made to the larger bench, the question of obtaining the permission under section 170 of the Act is mandatory upon the appellant insurance company. If permission has not been granted, then the objection can be raised only on limited ground in regard to quantum. We have examined the argument of Learned Counsel for the claimants respondents and we find that points 3 to 5 have been referred to the larger bench, but they do not deal with the issue where the insurance company has been impleaded as a party and has contested the claim before the tribunal. If the insurance company has been impleaded as a party and had contested the claim before the tribunal, then the issue has been referred to the larger bench is not attracted. The present case is covered under para 8 of the aforesaid judgment wherein the contingency has been dealt with, and therefore the argument of Learned Counsel for the claimants respondents that the matter has been referred to the larger bench in regard to obtaining the permission under section 170 of the Act does not hold good, and the parties are to be governed by the finding recorded in para 8 of the judgment, which has become final, and the same has been recorded in respect of point 1 and draws distinction as compared to points 3 to 5 where the insurance company has not put in appearance and had not contested the claim. It is important to mention here that registration of FIR and filing of the charge sheet against the driver of the said offending bus are not in dispute. Stop.